Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack to manage your schedule, get meeting reminders, and update your status automatically, all without leaving your workspace. Step 1. Install the Google Calendar app. The first step is adding the official integration to your workspace so Slack can communicate with your Google account. In your Slack sidebar, click on More or Automations and select Apps. Search for Google Calendar and click Add. This will take you to the Slack app directory in your browser. Click Add to Slack and then Allow to grant the app permission to access your workspace. Once finished, click Open Slack to head back to the app where you'll see the Google Calendar app listed in your sidebar under the Apps section. Step 2. Connect your Google account. Now that the app is installed, you need to link it to your specific calendar data. Click on Google Calendar in your sidebar to open its Home tab. Click the button that says Connect an Account. A browser window will open asking you to sign in to your Google account. Select the account you use for work, review the permissions, which allows Slack to view and sync your events, and click Allow. Once confirmed, you'll receive a Success message in Slack, and your upcoming meetings will start appearing in the app's Home tab. Step 3. Sync your status and notifications. This is a game changer for 2026 productivity. Once enabled, Slack will automatically change your status to In a Meeting with a calendar icon whenever an event starts on your calendar and clear it once you're done. While in Settings, you can also customize notification preferences to choose if you want reminders 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes before a meeting starts. And that's pretty much it. To integrate Google Calendar in 2026, find the app in the Slack app directory, connect your Google account via the app's Home tab, and enable status syncing in the settings. This keeps your schedule visible and your status updated automatically, helping you stay focused throughout the day. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.